Anker have dropped some awesome new chargers, so let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. Today we're looking at not one, not two, but three new products from Anker's Prime lineup. This is their top tier ecosystem built for power users, travelers, and honestly anyone who's tired of carrying a mess of chargers around. So let's get stuck in. So the three products Anker have released are the Anker Prime Power Bank, the Anker 3-in-1 wireless charging station, and the Anker Prime 160 watt charger. I've been using these for the past few weeks across my travel setup, my desk setup, and my daily carry. And some of these honestly have surprised me. So let's start with this. This is a beast. This is the 26K Prime Power Bank. This thing is basically a portable power station disguised as a power bank. It's under the airline limit, so you can bring this on flights, but it packs enough juice to charge a laptop, a tablet, and a phone all at the same time. The total output goes up to 300 watts, and a single USB-C port can charge up to 140 watts. My laptop charged almost as fast as it does from the wall, which is crazy. Normally most power banks come with one high-powered port, and the others have less power. This bank has two high-power ports, which means you could charge two MacBook Pros to 50% in around 27 minutes, which is crazy good. It can also charge a 17 Pro Max up to 50% in 22 minutes. And you can connect to it via Bluetooth and review the status of it in the app, which is pretty awesome. And you can check out the battery percentage without having to take it out of your bag. This is one of the first power banks I've used that actually feels like it was built for creators or travelers, people on the go. If you're editing on the go, shooting content, charging cameras, drones, whatever, it just works. And even under heavy load, it's held stable without overheating. If you want one power bank that replaces carrying multiple bricks on the road, this is it. So next up, the wireless station, the Anker Prime 3-in-1 wireless charging station. What's cool about this, it's Qi 2 certified, so if you've got a Qi 2 compatible phone, like the 17 Pro Max, it can charge wirelessly up to 25 watts. With that 25 watt Qi 2 output, Anker claims that the charger can take a 17 Pro Max to roughly 50% battery in around 22 minutes. That's close to what you'd expect from nearly a wired charger, which is pretty cool. So the fact that it's MagSafe charging is super convenient. Wireless charging causes heat buildup, so the station uses something called Active Shield 5.0, plus a small cooling fan built into the phone charger to help with cooling. The idea is that as wireless charging creates heat, the station monitors temperature in real time, reportedly doing millions of safety checks every day, which is crazy. And it keeps things cool so that your phone stays safe and charging stays efficient. So in everyday use, your desk, your bedside table, even traveling, this 3-in-1 station works really well. You can get the speed of Qi 2 plus peace of mind that the charger is managing heat and protecting your devices. If you like clean setups, hate cable clutter, or need a reliable charging hub for your watch, your phone, and your AirPods, this is a great addition. And finally, the 160 watt 3-port charger. This thing is your new travel companion if you carry multiple devices. It's crazy small for the amount of power that it can push. This is about the same size as an AirPods case, which is crazy. One port can output up to 140 watts, which is enough power pretty much for any modern laptop. When you plug in more than one device, the smart display shows exactly how much power is going to each of these ports, and Anker's power distribution does the rest automatically. You can also connect to this charger via Bluetooth. You can customize the power to each port as well. So if you don't want the automatic setup which comes on this charger, you can go in and you can customize what you want each port to do, which is pretty awesome. I took this with me recently traveling, and it replaced me having to take multiple chargers with me. My laptop, phone, and tablet all plugged into this. This pairs up perfectly with the power bank for charging on the go, and this will charge at up to 150 watts using this charging plug, which is super quick if you need to charge this up again on the go. With me using these for a few weeks, there has been a few little pros and cons, so let's talk about them. First, the pros. This power bank is legitimately powerful enough for creators and travelers on the go. You get fast charging across all of these devices, which is pretty sweet. All of these devices have smart displays, and you can connect to all of these via Bluetooth and use the app, which actually add value. It's not a gimmick. These are all portable sizes considering how powerful these things are, and the wireless charging station is so neat and it keeps everything clean and organized. There's no clutter of cables with this. And the cons, if you want to really call them cons, All three of these Prime products, they're not the cheapest of products out there. These are premium packed, but these are up there with some of the best accessories you can buy. These are loaded with premium features and the build quality is top notch. The only thing I've noticed as well, when you're charging 3 devices at once at maximum load, things can get a little bit warm, but that's to be expected. But Anker's heat management with these devices works pretty well. And lastly, the power bank. It is a little bit heavy, but it's to be expected. It's a 26,000 milliamp hour battery. So yeah, and that's literally the only cons I've had with these, which is pretty minimal. So here's my final thoughts. The Anker Prime lineup is built for people who need reliable power on the go. You've got travelers, commuters, photographers, creators like myself, or anyone with a lot of devices. If you want one product to start with, I would honestly say it's the Prime power bank. It's by far the standout. You can just pop this in your bag and away you go, and you've got top quality charging. If you want to clean up your desk or your bedside, the 3-in-1 wireless charging station is absolutely perfect. You've got no cable clutter, your devices charge really well. And if you want maximum flexibility for travel, the 160-watt charger should definitely be in your bag. This thing is small, compact, and super powerful. And if you want to pick up any of these items that I have featured today, I will leave you affiliate links in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my affiliate links, thanks for your support. It's much appreciated. And that'll be wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos coming for you. And if you want to check out some more awesome content like this, you can check it out right here.